Hello, my name's Helen and I'm the new project officer for Pethau Pawb in Llandovery. Pethau Pawb is run by Ynni Sir Gâr and we will be opening a library of things, like a library of books, but instead of books you can borrow things. Anything that you need, from carpet cleaners to power washers to a drill to a screwdriver to maybe a travel cot. Let us know what you need. Come into our shop, we have a little suggestion box, just have a chat with us. Look at our social media page, we've got a good Facebook page under Pethau Pawb, and tell us what you need. I first heard about two libraries through following the Edinburgh Two Library, and I was lucky enough to visit up there. And then I helped set up the Two Library in Llanelli, which was very successful, and now we're expanding a Two Library into a whole library of things. There are lots of them popping up across Wales, across the UK. We work closely with a company called Benthyg. Take a look at their website, there's lots of information on how a library of things work. We need your ideas. We're not all about what we want to know what you want, so please pop in and see us. Ynni Sir Gâr work across the whole of Carmarthenshire, and Pethau Pawb Llandovery will be working closely with Pethau Pawb in Newcastle Emlyn. They already have a community fridge and they will be starting up a library of things. We're the other way round. We're starting the library of things first and then a community fridge, so hopefully we can work together.